Keith Cothrell here at the law firm of Keith Cothrell and Houston Tax Attorney on Instagram. Today's video, episode 11 of Knock Out Your Taxes, is about the so-called Fresh Start program. Well, I see these ads all the time like you do, and if you owe a lot of money to the IRS or owe any money to the IRS, you need to know the facts as to what you can and can't do. And you don't need to listen to anyone that is advertising a Fresh Start program. The reason why is because they will bill first and ask questions later. It's a very specific thing. The offer and compromise program is very specifically tied to your finances and whether or not you have assets. If you owe $30,000 and have $30,000 of home equity, they are not going to give you an offer. If you're paycheck to paycheck, you live in a one-bedroom apartment, and all your stuff is old, then you're likely to possibly get an offer. So it's a very taxpayer specific thing. The first thing that I do in my cases is I send you a financial statement, we go over it, and then we make the decision whether or not we want to make that offer. So what happens if you can't get a fresh start? What can you do? Well, if you can't borrow the money, which you probably may or may not be able to do, and it'll pay someone else off and get the IRS off your back, and you can get into a payment plan. And that payment plan is really simple. If you're under 50,000, you just take it over 72 months, and if you can afford to pay that amount of money, then you're good to go. If you are $100,000 or less, you can still do a streamlined agreement. If you can't afford that minimum payment, then you have to get a financial statement and provide bank statements and such, and that will the IRS will take that information and use it to determine what you pay. But no one's going to put you in jail. No one's going to take your bank account unless you ignore your IRS letters, which is the first episode we talked about where you don't do that. So if you watch that episode, then you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, go watch it. It's really important. And so that's all I have for you today. Hope you all have a good week. Thank you.